Welcome dear student. In this video lecture we discuss about the basics of cleavage. The cleavage is the first major phase of embryonic development and it is a rapid succession of the cell division also known as mitotic division, and it creates a multicellular embryo from the zygote, and this step of embryonic development no growth is occur, and the cleavage process contain two stages. First one is morula and second one is blastula. The morula stage is solid ball of cells, but the blastula is a single layer of cells surrounded a fluid filled cavity called the blastocele. ठीक है. First cleavage start after fertilization. The zygote is formed. The first division of cleavage, the zygote is divided into two cells, and the second cleavage, the two cells divided into four cells, and third cleavage, the four cell divided into eight cells, and fourth cleavage, the eight cell divided into 16 cell stage, and the 16 cell stage is known as morula, and the morula is a solid ball like structure, and the fifth cleavage, the 16 cell stage divided into 32 cell stage, and 32 cell stage is called blastula, and blastula is a hollow ball, and it contain a single layer cells, and it's surrounded by a fluid filled cavity, and the fluid filled cavity is known as blastocele. This is the cross section of the blastula. In human, the blastula, the cavity is blastocele. And another diagram is also so the process of cleavage. It start after the zygote. There's a first day of after fertilization. The first mitotic division cleavage is start. The zygote is divided into two cells, and the second cleavage, the two cell stage divided into four, and then moreover cleavage, the four cell change into a 16 cell stage, and this cell stage is called morula, and morula is formed after 3 days of fertilization, and after 5 days of fertilization the blastula stage is occur, and the blastula of human is called blastocyst, and the outer single layer is known as trophoblast, and the fluid filled cavity is called blastocele cavity, and the mass of cells that present in one end is known as inner cell mass, and the morula stage is a totipotent, but the inner cell mass are pluripotent stem cells. This is the another diagram. The zygote, two cell stage, four cell stage. The old process is called cleavage. After the result of the cleavage, the zygote is changed into blastula. The cleavage is begins after 12 hours of the fertilization, and zygote divided into two cells by the mitosis, and the zygote contain 46 chromosome, and the both two daughter cells also contain 46 chromosome. Then second cleavage start. The two cells change into the four cell stage, and this cleavage second cleavage is present in the 24 to 36 hour after fertilization, and the 4 cell change into the 8 cell stage, and 8 cell stage change into the 16 cell, and the 16 cell stage is called morula. This is the another diagram of cleavage in the female reproductive system, and this is the site before fertilization, day 0. The sperms are rich in the egg. The egg and the sperm fuse to form a zygote. The zygote start first mitotic division cleavage, and they contain 46 chromosome, and after the first cleavage the zygote change into two cell stage, and both cells, each blastomere cells contain 46 chromosome. Then second cleavage is start. The two cells change into the four cell, then third cleavage four change into eight cell, and eight cell change into 16 cell stage, and it is called morula, and the day third they change into the morula. These all process are takes place in the fallopian tube oviduct of the female reproductive tract, and the after fifth day, they change into the blastula, and the blastula contain the fluid-filled cavity known as blastocyst, and the inner cell mass, and the outer cells single layer is known as trophoblast cells, and the implantation is occur at the seventh day of the cleavage after fertilization. The implantation occurs in the endometrium wall of the uterus. Thank you.